Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I'm going to make a little box for my tablecloth, my tray table, and I've been working on another project in the background, but I thought I could make a little box for this, which I was intending on doing, but this just gave me the idea to try it a different way. So I made the little box in my Huswiff, which works perfectly. So I'm going to take that same concept and make a little box for on here. So what I need is a square piece of fabric. I've made a little pin cushion and I've stitched that little piece down, so that'll go on there. It's just a little teeny tiny one. And then now I'm going to make a box. So, and I think I'll do it out of this one. So we'll move this out the way. Put that in there. Some little pins there, I don't know where they've come from. But I need a piece of square fabric, so let's measure this. So that's 6.5 by 17. So I need to cut a bit off there. Just move that. So if we go maybe 6.5 there, and if I go 6.5 there. Let's just add a rotary cutter here somewhere. It's my paper one, but that's okay. Keep that button. Right, so now what I need to do is it's all ironing. I need to iron the creases. So hopefully this will work. We'll soon find out. Iron in. I think this will work. Okay. I mean, it works with cardstock, so hopefully it'll work with this. Let that heat up a bit. So I'm going to fold it in half and iron. I'm going to open it, fold it in half and iron again. Then we're going to fold all these corners in on an angle. Last one there. That's kind of done. That's my new fold one, so that's got to go to there. Okay. Then we have all those in. Fold that up to the centre. centre, iron, and we're going to open it and do the same on the other long edges. Then we're going to spin it and go that way to the centre. So if I bring that down, that will give me where it needs to be. Right, and iron that. Now, I'm going to open it out and open 2 down and then spin it, and then we're going to make 2 cuts. One up to there. I don't know if the structure will be very strong. So we've got that piece, and then we're going to spin it round, and on the opposite side we're going to snip and snip. Now that one there has to go down, that one there has to go down. No, hang on, I'm going to do these sides first. So this is what we've got. That will fold in there like that, and then that will come there. I don't know if this is going to work. Same again with this one. Fold that back that way, there and there, and then that will come in there, and then that up, over and down. But because I can stitch it, I could probably even glue it, and then that and that, and then that up and over and down. Oh yeah, that's not bad. And then I can just stitch it together. Right, let's do that. Let's do a running stitch around the top. So I'll hide my knot in there. And then I'm just going to do a running stitch all the way around the outside edge of the top of the box, and hopefully that will hold it. Got the wrong needle, but so it's very similar to the other one that I did. I'll turn that off now. And then this can be my little ORT tray for on my mat. And then I'm just about done. I've just got to add a needle minder in there, and then sew on the binding, and maybe do a little bit more decorative stitching on the panels, and then it's done. Run this all the way. You could do it all through, like the whole lot could do in running stitch. Put a little knot in there. Okay. So I'm sure there's probably lots of origami folding techniques that you can apply to fabric, which could make useful containers and trays and all sorts. this will be stitched onto my little tray. This can be where all my little scraps go. You could probably put some interfacing on just to make it a little bit stronger. You could put batting in, that would make it stronger. But I thought I'd try it with just the fabric first and see if it would actually work, and it did. Should probably pin it or something, but that would be too smart, wouldn't it? So you can make your box any size, it just has to be a square. So depending on the size of your square will depend on the finished size of your box. This is the last side. Okay, last couple of stitches. Okay, now probably want to put something in there to hold those down. I mean, I don't have to. Right, so I'll just pop that back through there so we're not going to see it. And then I'll tie that off, and then I'll show you. I'm pleased that worked. Definitely interfacing if you want it sturdier, but for this it's fine. Right, so there's my little ORT tray. You could probably put a bit of cardboard in the base if you wanted to. I don't know how, you know, I probably don't even need to. You could put a button in there. But there's my little tray. Let me put it back on here. So that will be there, that will be there, that will be there somewhere. I need to add a needle minder and do the binding, and then it's all finished. So I hope you liked that quick little video. Very simple little ORT tray, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.